Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad and so happy to see you in this new video. In today's video, I have a deposit of $5 and I want to overclock this deposit and make $35,000, which is very possible. So I invite you to come and trade with me, and I also invite you to join my Telegram channel where I have a private chat. And I'm so happy and I'm so glad that so many people are joining and so many people are sharing their success stories using my trading signals, and I'm so glad. I really want to create a very big team in this private chat. So if you want to join, there is a link in the description box down below, which is a link to my personal chat. Just write me with the code word money team and I'll add you to this private chat so that you can be able to follow my trading signals, also copy my chats and be able to make some money as well. So thank you so much for watching this channel. So let's get into the very first trade. So hi everyone, so as I said at the beginning of this video, I'll try to overclock my deposit of $5 and try to make $35,000. So if you have any burning questions, don't hesitate to write me down in the comment section and also write me via my personal chat. I'll be able to answer them gladly and happily. So don't hesitate, and also let's get into our very first trade. Well, here is resistance level, and I can see that the price has touched this level and bounced down, and right now the price is impulsively breaking through the level. So I'm entering the market for an increase for 1 minute, and I'm expecting the price to continue moving up and break through this level, and then the price will continue moving up again. So let's check it out, wait for the results. Well, it's awesome. Price broke through the resistance level and went higher. So it has bought me my profit and I'm ready to continue trading. So on the left of this chart, you can see the resistance level. And to the right of this chart, you can continue to notice the upward movement. And right now it is flat and the price maximum is getting higher. So I'm going to enter the market for an increase for 3 minutes because I expect the price to continue moving to the resistance level. So let me wait and see the results. Well, it's lit. The price continued moving to the level and I've got my profit. And also I can see the bounce down. So I'm thinking that I'll enter the market with the next trade here. I'll enter a trade for an increase for 3 minutes, expecting the level to be broken through. So let me wait and see until the end of the trade. Well, it's very good. The resistance level was broken through and it has bought me my profit. So I'm ready to continue my trade. Well, here there is the support level and I can see that there has been the downward movement and the price came to the level. So I'm entering the market for a decrease for 3 minutes because I'm expecting the bounce up and after that the breakthrough of the level. Well, it's lit. The price broke through this level and then went lower. So it has bought me my profit. So let me continue trading. So here you can see the level of support. And right now there is a downward movement and there is still a place to the support level. So I'm entering a trade for 3 minutes with a decrease because I'm expecting the price to move to the level and maybe possibly break through it. So let's wait and see. Well, it's very good. The price moved to the level and then broke through it and I've got my profit. So let me continue trading. So here there is a downtrend and the price has been moving down quite confidently. And there's still a place to the level of support, and I'm thinking I'll enter the trade. I'll enter the market for 3 minutes with a decrease because the price will continue moving to the level of the support. So let me wait and see the result of the trade. Well, I like this. After the small bounce up, the price moved down and broke me my profit. So let me continue trading. Well, it's a support level here and there has been a very good downtrend. The price touched this level and there was some bounce up, and then price came down again, and right now it is sticking to the level. So I think I need to open the trade for a decrease for 3 minutes because I'm expecting for this level to be broken through very soon. So let me wait and see the results. Well, it slid. The price broke through the support level and went down, and I've got my profit from this trade. So let me continue trading. Well, here there is support level, and right now there is downward movement, and the price maximum is getting lower. And this situation resembles the descending triangle figure. So I'm thinking I'll enter the market for a decrease for 3 minutes because I'm expecting the price to continue moving down and break through this level. Well, it's good. The price has kept on moving down but hasn't broken through this level yet. It has got to the price range and continued moving in it. And I think that for a while it will continue moving this way, and the price is at the highest point of this range. So I'm thinking I'll enter the market here for 2 minutes for a decrease, and I'll wait and see the results of this trade. Well, it's not bad. The price slowed its pace, but downward movement continued and I've gotten my profit. But right now, the price is at the middle of this price range. So to open the next trade, I'll wait until the price reaches one of the edges. So I'll continue trading. Well, it is the support level here, and I can see that price touched this level and then it has bounced up, and right now the price has been moving to our level and downward movement is continuing. So I'm thinking I'll enter the market here for 2 minutes for a decrease, expecting the price to continue moving to this level. Well guys, it's not bad. The price kept on moving down and then broke through this level. I've got my profit, but I can now see that the price has slowed down a little. So I want to enter the market for a decrease for 1 minute and wait for the results and see. Well, it's not bad. The price impulsively kept on moving down and I've got my profit. So I'm ready to find another trade. Well, I moved to the left of this chart and it is the support level here. And back to the current trade, there is a downward trend happening and there is still a place to the support level. But now there is a small attenuation and the price is bouncing up. So I'm entering the market for 3 minutes with a decrease and wait for the end of the trade. Well, it's very good. After the small bounce up, downward movement continued and I've got the profit and I like how it's going. So let me continue trading. Well, here is support level as well as a very good downtrend. Price touched this level and then bounced up, and after the bounce up, the price is then continuing to the level and sticking to the level. And price maximum is getting lower and I'm entering the trade for 2 minutes for a decrease and wait for the end of the trade. Well, it slid. This level was broken through and I've got very good profit. So let me continue trading. So there is a support level here and right now there is a downtrend and price maximum is getting lower, and also there has been the false breakout the price touched the level and then bounced up. So I'm going to open a trade for a decrease for 3 minutes and wait for the end of the trade. Well, it's not bad. After the small flat, the downward movement continued and I've got the profit. So the price isn't reaching the support level and only the long wicks down are remaining. This indicates that the price is losing its power and there is a chance of reversal. So let me get to another trade. So it is a very good upward movement. And after the small flat, the resistance level was broken through. And after that, the price has slowed down a little. So I'll enter a trade for an increase for 2 minutes only and wait for the end of my trade and see the results. So it's very good. The price continued moving up and it has brought me my profit. So let me find another interesting situation. So it is the support level, and also you can see that after the bounce, the price is moving down, and right now there is a flat happening, and I expect the price to keep on moving down. And right now it is the exit from the small flat. So I'm entering a trade for 3 minutes with a decrease and wait for the results of my trade. Well, it's not bad. The price kept on moving down and I've got the profit, and this time was enough. So from the level there was a logical bounce up and then the level was broken through, and now my profit is very good and my deposit is $23,000. So I'll open my last trade for today. So let me find something interesting. So it is the support level here, and right now it is the downward movement happening. The price has been moving quite steadily without any bounces. So I'm entering the trade for 2 minutes for an increase, and once I see a green candlestick, I'll click and open the trade because I expect a very big bounce up from this zone, because it usually happens in most cases. And as you can see, the green candlestick, which indicates that upward movement will continue. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. Well guys, it's very awesome. The price continued moving up and I've got my profit. My deposit is now $35,000 and I will stop trading here. As you saw, I managed to hit my goal for today, which was $35,000 from $5, imagine, which you can be able to do as well. It is very possible to do it with all the techniques that I use. I have a private chat in Telegram channel which you can join. So many people have joined so far, and so many people are sharing their wonderful news using my techniques, and you can be able to do it as well. I left a link in the description box down below. Just click this link, it will take you to my personal chat in Telegram channel. Write me the code word money team and I'll add you to this private chat so that you can be able to receive trading signals once a day and be able to follow my trading chats and my techniques and make some money as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for liking, for subscribing to this channel, for sharing this video, for commenting down below, and also don't forget to hit the notification button so that you can be notified when there is a new video that has come out. So thank you so much. Until next time, bye bye.